got the... Don't leave that. Worldwide, radio cut off there. 631, I think that's the station. I gotta confirm it though. Anybody know who he's talking to yet? Let's see your head out of here no more. He's not in range. He's gotta get close, then I'll key up. He conveniently keys up when he's in the neighborhood.
Oh, here's 2x4. What's up, 2x4? Your butt hurts also? Hey, 2x4, what at? Your butt hurts?
Man, that's how he rolls. He don't key up when he knows he ain't getting out. He don't key up.
I'm keying up right now. What you mean I don't key up?
Oh man, this is too easy. It ought to be labeled sleazy. I'm going to way back. Thanks a lot for that video. And Richie, and when he gets show you the lion junkie that Pedro is.
Hey, 2x4, what do you mean? What do you mean I don't key up, man? I was keying up while you were keying up. Hey, 2x4, what happened? Your butt hurts now?
That super trucker, a bridge, was it a bridge talker? That's what Pedro claims he is. That's what Pedro does himself. He's on top of a bridge.
I got 2x4 over here plugging me up now. I got 2x4 over here plugging me up saying that I don't key up, man. They call me worldwide. They call me worldwide. No squeal, bad acting, Mobile. They call me worldwide. No squeal, bad acting, Mobile. And don't forget, check out Bobcat 358 Bobcat Space NY. 80 miles away. 80 miles away, Enforcer gets 80 miles away, Enforcer gets that hammer right up in his head. Too easy, Richie. Hey, too easy. 80 miles away. 358 Bobcat, 358 Bobcat, Space NY. 80 miles away. Check that out. And check out Weasel, Peter Rod's Video Gates. Too easy.
Worldwide, radio cut off. Talking video game.
80 miles away, 358 Bobcat, GPS confirmed. Enforcer gets that hammer right up in his head.
Just look at the gate page.
358 Bobcat, Space NY, or go to Weasel. Go to Peter Rod in the Bronx. Go to Peter Rod also in the Bronx. Enforcer gets his hammer. Boom, gets that hammer right in his head. That's all I gotta say, man. I got no time for this fucking junkie.
So queer for you, 206. He's so queer for you, isn't he? Say that was...
Yeah, I know he's queer for me. They love me. They love me. I'm a very loved man out here, but I'm not a faggot like he is. Oh! Hey, 2x4's over here next to me keying up.
That's all I got.
Oh, 2x4 is keying up over here, Richie. He wants to talk to you. I'm going to stand by.
How you want him to talk to me when I can't hear him when you key up? I got my video game rolling. There I go. Down to the horn. Make sure he's...
Bam, bam, bam. All right, I'll stand by so you can listen to him.
He was working on that.
Bam, 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 Richie. You said too easy. That's all I got to say. Hey, Richie, you like butternut or you like squash? He's crying to one another 14 blocks away. Hey, Pistol Grip, 14 blocks away, they're crying to one another. I got down. Too easy, super light duty. I don't know. I think he wants to talk to me. Stand by. What's he crying about now, Richie? I hope he got a big beach towel. I don't know. I hope he's got a lot of tissues. That's all I got to say. Hey, 2x4. Hey, 2x4, help out Enforcer, man. Give him some tissues.
Good one. promise I'm going to be junkies out there and they.
You promise you're gonna be quiet, but you keep on dropping the hammer, man. What's wrong with you, Pistol Grip? Take it easy on him.
Hey, what do you got? In and out? We just getting in. To pick up.
Take it easy on him. Hey, don't forget, 358 Bobcat Space NY, 80 miles away, GPS confirmed. And go to Weasel, Peter Rod in the Bronx. That's all I gotta say. He could take me out over here. That's fine. He could take me out over here to you guys. 80 miles away, they don't hear him. 80 miles away, GPS confirmed. Bye.
Pretend not to hear them. Yeah, what? The first one might be what? The so-called drop the battery was back last weekend. Probably nothing by the time I came back. Oh, that's what I was
80 miles away. How do I do it? Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. That 2-pill ain't cutting the mustard. You need a 4-pill. That 2-pill ain't cutting the mustard. GPS confirmed. 358 Bobcat Space NY. 80 miles away, 358 Bobcat Space NY, 358 Bobcat Space NY, 358 Bobcat Space NY on YouTube. 80 miles away, Enforcer gets crushed. That's all I gotta say. And I said enough. I rest my case and I gotta go to work. I gotta get out of here. I gotta go to Philadelphia.
All right, Bobcat. TGIF to you there, Bobcat.
Ah, man, you know I was imitating Bobcat. You know I was doing a little imitation of my buddy out there, Staten Island Bobcat. I missed that guy, man.
You got the Bobcat here. You got the Swamp Cat here.
Let me do it again. You got the Bobcat here. You got the Bobcat here. Is the Bobcat in your radio? I want to know. Is the Bobcat in your radio? How about you, 206? How about you, 206? You got the Bobcat here. You got the Bobcat here. Yo, too easy, man. You guys out there, have a super fine weekend, everybody out there, man. Everybody out there, have a super fine day, a good Friday, TGIF, and have a good weekend. Even you too, Enforcer. You too, CK. Have a good one.
Oh, man, funny, dude. You just addressed them decently, dude. You just turned those fags on. Don't get...
I like to kill them with kindness. Hey, Pistol Grip, how long you been talking to me? I don't come out here and cause no fights. And plus, I like to kill them with kindness, man. Everybody out there, I gotta go, man. I gotta get out of here, man.
You know, that's the golden rule my grandmother raised me with, kill them with kindness. And you're right. We ain't gotta come out. Why you go that way? Why? Because we're the victors, the winners and the rulers, the rockers and the rulers. You don't want to fight with us. We're the kings, and I'm clear.
Alright, Pistol Grip, I'm gonna put this airsoft pistol. I'm only using my airsoft pistol here. I'm gonna put this pistol on the side here. It's an airsoft pistol. It's not even my assault rifle, man. I'm gonna put this thing on the shelf and I ain't keying it up no more.
But all I've been telling them is there is no fight whatsoever on the mic. There's never a fight on the mic. If they might consider it a fight, they might consider it a brawl, but there ain't nothing on the mic. And you ain't ever got to worry about any of those mouses coming off the mic. I took every one of them off the mic and listened to them cry like a bitch.
Hey, listen. That's what I say all along, man. Keep it clean. I'll keep it clean. It's just some radio fun out here, man. We all got a job to do out here. Worldwide, small fry, bad acting, Mobile. I gotta go, man. I think this fucking fuel pump is not shutting off and it's gonna fuck up all this shit, man. I gotta go, man.
Roger. I'm due for a blunt anyway.
Hey, tell CK it's okay, man. Tell CK, tell him that I know and I acknowledge that he missed me so much that he made me a new rap, and I really love it. When he gets off the microphone, tell him I said thank you very much.
Hold on, dude. I can't tell that chump punk anything. If you can find that chump punk, you're better than me. All right.
All right, see you later, man. Take it easy, guys. I gotta go, man. I'll be back Monday.
getting picked on. The badges.